You I'm the truest girl to you for me. I'ma lean to the side, one hand up, one finger up, girl. This is my love. This love, not just a cut. So let the feelings show hands up, girl. This is my love. See it's a fear for flying away, girl. I ain't trying to be alone away, girl. You're the destiny in me, babe. I don't need no one.
What's up, Mimi Gang? It's your girl Mimi Icing. Today I am back with another video for y'all. And today, y'all, if y'all read by the title, another wig install is coming on. I didn't bleach it or dye anything. I just did a natural black. I'm just doing natural black. Today, I already washed it, conditioned it. So I'm about to show y'all real quick the wig. Okay, y'all already see, I know it's a little messed up right now, but we're gonna fix it at the end. This is a 4x4 20-inch lace closure wig. Y'all know I love my closures and everything. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. I'm about to put some makeup on my cap and makeup on this lace. And after that, I'm gonna get the curling iron and start curling it. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching.
Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. When nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start busting, make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound case. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. Aim with the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. Clip sold on like a lean on it. My nigga like behind ball. Move 100 pounds for a lawyer, beat the charge. Tap down, and everything watch a fuck. If a nigga try to rob, fucking hit him with no. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. 100 bands on your head, get the job done. Throw it up, nigga, where you from? Whole hood hot, cause your nigga hitting licks. Ain't made a meal yet, but he still nigga rich. Stick 'em up, stick 'em up, stick 'em.
Guys, we're about to get the curling. As you can see, I clipped my hair up, got the curling iron ready. And yeah, y'all stay tuned.
Catch a
Alright, y'all, I just finished this side. It ain't perfect, but it's not that bad either. So I'm gonna come back once I finish the other side. So y'all stay tuned.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip.
Okay guys, so as y'all can see, this is the finished product and I'm really loving it. I haven't had a full black wig in a minute, so yeah, it's been a long time. I forgot how black looked on me. It's cute. Okay, so anyway, I hope y'all really like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my socials. I'll leave in the link below along with the link for this hair if you guys really want to purchase this hair yourselves. And yeah, hope y'all really like this video. Love you, Mimi gang. Peace.
I ain't tryna say nothing you ain't tryna hear. Relax your mind, have no fear. Cause I'm about to show you